Welcome back, y'all. So hopefully this turns out okay. I'm in my driveway, so hopefully it won't be too noisy out here. But today's video, we are going to put those in. Yeah, that's definitely what you think it is. So I'm kind of winging this and figuring things out as I go, in good old-fashioned Miata Khalifa style. Everything with this build, I've just kind of figured it out once I got to that point. So the plan is right now, obviously get these solenoids hooked up, and I'm going to run this fogger nozzle deal into here. I think that will work out okay. I haven't really figured it out yet, but I think that's a good spot. It will be in a good spot for the spray. I'm going to have to, yeah, actually I think it will work out pretty well, like just enough. So that's the plan. I'm gonna tap that with an NPT tap and screw that bad boy in. And I think I'm gonna have to get a longer, that's just brake line, and I'm gonna make the purge go up the windshield or up the cowl. And as of right now, I'm thinking of putting the nitrous solenoids like right here or something like that. I'll have to see exactly how I'm gonna make them fit in here, or maybe up here, I don't know yet, but I'm gonna have to see exactly where I can put them. I don't know, I'm just gonna play with this a little bit. This is probably gonna be a bunch of clips of look what I just did, and not a whole lot of explaining how I did it, or well, how to do it. I'll tell you how I did it, because I'm still kind of just, like I said, I'm just figuring this out, and we're learning things, and hopefully this all works out. But the plan is to get this on tonight, pick up my bottle I got dropped off to fill tomorrow after work, and get it tuned real quick by my boy Jason Dillard over at Hawks Motorsports here in Greenville, South Carolina, and make it to Streetcar Takeover meet in North Carolina on Thursday, like the day after tomorrow. So hopefully all this works out and we can get on a 1320 video and blow up. So we'll check back with in a minute. Okay, well, it's really dark and really late now, but I've got solenoids mounted, lines run, that hole tapped, and I think it's just barely long enough, and the tip of it should be right here, so it just like should be just enough to, probably not optimal, but that's, I think it is, hopefully so. As you can see, I just tapped that deal right there. I have my fuel, a really janky T on a T, but no leaks. That started to leak at first, and I tightened it just a hair more, and it's alright. This sketches me out doing stuff like this, but so far so good. It's not leaking. It was holding pressure just fine. It's still at about 20 pounds, so that's a good thing. And I've just got a line coming from there, as you can see, to my fuel solenoid, and then the nitrous solenoid that obviously goes all the way back to the trunk. And then I made my purge line going up here and out right there by the windshield. I'm gonna have to find a better way to mount or secure that. I have to play with that a little bit, get it in the right spot, but that's basically what I'm going for. And I just ran the line, you know, under the dash to the back. So now I gotta wire it up, which should be pretty simple. Powers to the solenoids, and then grounds to the fuel and the nitrous solenoid, and then ground to the purge to purge it. So shouldn't take too long. Asshole. Shouldn't take too long, and I gotta hook up a switch for the purge. No big deal, right? So we're getting closer. Oh yeah, and it's like 11:30. I gotta work in the morning. This always happens. This is the only way I do things. But anyway, hopefully clip after next will be me getting this thing tuned and it working. We'll see. Well, we got Bill Nye the Tuner guy here working his magic. We got Jason and Logan been helping me all the fucking way out, because like standard Miata Khalifa style, has been a big catastrophe. But we got it all hooked up, working, solenoids cleaned, purge is foobarred, so that's off to the side. We're just not going to purge for now. And it's like a, what, 125-ish shot, something like that in there. We're just going to take it up the street and send it and see what happens. So we got Jason working his magic. He's updating my firmware, loading the tune in. So we get that in, we're going to go up the road and we'll see what happens. Okay.
Dillard.
What? We're trying, man. We're trying.
Dude, it's gonna happen. It's gonna work great.
ECU firmware mismatch.
See, we went to version 1, 120. So we're gonna run version 1. We're about to copy a whole bunch of.
Yeah. So wait, that's what we're on right now?
Mm-hmm.
So what do I need to do when I get home?
We're gonna copy everything over this one. X. Make firmware, like all the firmwares being on the same page.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That sucker barely fits in there, bro.
Barely.
Bro, what the fuck, man? It's fucking in there. Look at that shit. Oh, he's about to hit this on some nitrous. So we got his inputs and his outputs wired up. We, what else did we do? We lubricated the pistons and the solenoids that we got. They were a little stuck.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Our purge solenoid we kind of gave up on. It's messed up. Yeah, it's probably it's probably edit that out. Let's see here. It's probably from 10 years ago, but there's rust and Teflon and everything in it. We could not get it to.
He's over there.
We could not. You smacking bugs off me, man. Welcome to South Carolina.
All right, well, yeah, we need to go make a hit.
Yeah,
that's what we need to do.
Yeah, so we got the nitrous, we got everything working now, no leaks in the line.
Yeah.
The other line we had, we took off. It was leaking, so luckily Tracy, who had he had a pretty fast nitrous Caprice, had some nitrous stuff left over for us. There's Logan. Logan helped with everything today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. So
This would not be happening right now.
Holla at your boy.
So how can they find your channel?
Hell yeah. What do we have? Dillard Performance Works right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the name for right now.
Hell yeah.
I don't know if that's what I want to. Oh, hold on. He's got a.
Down over here? Yeah. Just pop.
That sucker thin.
It is.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
All right.
Here, you want to take this?
Are you going to film with that? Your phone was dead, right?
Yeah, I might film with this.
All right. You got to put the top up.
We probably should. Hell yeah. Thank you.
Alright, so I'm not wearing a seatbelt, so does this thing wind out? Can I make it zoom out?
Yeah, right here. Like that.
Go all the way close.
That is all the way close.
So still tight.
Keep your finger away from this wheel because it'll fuck up and
I don't touch the wheel.
it'll stop recording.
It's close. It needs like a half zoom. It's you're.
That's all the way out right now.
All right.
Unfortunately. Yeah,
That's okay. That's okay.
It takes a minute to focus too. It's kind of a shitty camera.
Fire it up with no gas.
Okay. What temperature are we at? Oh well, you can't see.
175 million. We're at 123.
Okay.
There it is. Yeah, turn it off for right now until we need it.
Okay.
The next time you get back in there, look, there's donut marks everywhere.
Hell yeah.
It idles so good, dude.
It does, dude. That was great.
We'll get out. I'll tell you where we're gonna hit it at. Like, let's just get into it.
Alright. Is this straight from here on out right here?
Somewhat.
Let's get past this turn right here. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Oh,
dude,
man,
it's so rowdy.
rolling out,
Holy
dude.
shit, dude. Oh my god.
Oh, it's
Oh, that
rolling out
feels good.
so hard.
God, that feels so good. Yeah. Okay, one more, we'll go back.
One more. We're still recording. Yeah, whenever you feel like it.
As soon as I get
Dude,
straight.
that first gear.
Yeah.
Hold on, I got one. I want you to test for first gear. It's on up here.
Okay. Right here?
No. We're gonna try from a dig again.
Alright, so do a second gear right here.
You wanna go from a dig?
Or I was saying, should I do a second gear right here?
Yeah, go for it. I lost the laptop.
Oh my god, dude, that shit. Fuck, that feels crazy.
Dude, the air fuel's staying exactly where it needs to be. Well, the closed loop's not even doing its thing. It's on the money.
That's
it's
crazy.
doing its
dude.
fucking
Hell
own.
yeah, boy. Oh, that's good.
We gotta do one more and then we'll
Yeah.
shut the bottle off. Alright, so
All right.
do a first gear. Do like slow down and do from a first after this light right here.
Okay.
Like do a dig.
Make sure you don't see no cops.
I don't see any. Right here. You're good. Stop. I lost the laptop. I don't know where it's at. It's gone. Holy shit.
Oh my god, that feels so fucking good.
Alright, let's pull on over, turn the bottle off. You ready for tomorrow?
Yeah.
I don't want you to change nothing.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's good.
Whenever you get back, come back and we'll see what's up with the closed loop, but you're fine.
Hell yeah.
Tune's on the money.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's great. That's great. Really, just head back.
Yeah, remember to turn your lights on? If you don't turn those off, it'll pull time and
Right.
you just clean the plugs off and everything. It's fucking happy.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's great.
I think I got
Yeah.
both of them, dude. The laptop's in my feet.
You gotta tell me where to turn. I can't see in the dark. God, that felt so fucking good.
Rowdy.
Dude, it's
saucy
This is
air.
where it needs to be, dude.
See the
Holy
light right
shit.
there?
Huh?
The light right here.
Yeah, okay. Hell yeah. Oh, that was fucking good.
Man, that was a massive power increase.
Hell yeah, dude.
Still safe, dude. I'm leaving it right there.
Dude, it honestly, like, with that little bit of lag, it feels good that,
You can get up into it. It takes 3,500.
like, yeah, so,
you gotta be
like,
at 3,500 or 75% over.
like, if I'm at Greer and I fucking, like,
you can
launch
pedal
off
it.
at 25,
You can pedal it.
it'll, like, it won't do it right away. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he got it. it won't do it right away, you know. So I can launch, and then it'll kick in as soon as I get going.
Dude, that's
Yeah,
I set it at 3,500 on like.
So saucy!
Dude, it's so fucking saucy! Oh my god!
Hell yeah! Oh, that's good, dude. Oh my god!
That shit works!
Yeah, dude! Dude, that's all it needs right there.
Oh my
Like,
god,
that's
it's
it.
fucking perfect.
It is perfect. Oh my god, dude. Oh, that's great.
Back up the old Area 51, boy.
Oh yeah. Oh, she's fucking good to go, bro.
Oh man,
yeah.
I got so much footage, bro.
Hell yeah, dude. We're good. Oh, this one's not going right now. That's
Oh
alright.
fuck, I had that one going.
Hell yeah, we're good. Hell yeah.
Alright, so there's a couple hits on there for you. Dude, that shit was some spicy air. Look, so the closed loop's not working, but the air fuel was like
Oh, that was great.
11.9 the whole way.
That was great.
Okay, leave it alone. We're gonna
Hell yeah.
now turn the bottle off, leave it alone.
Oh, that's gonna be a bitch. Turn that bottle off like that.
Oh my god.
Hold up, I gotta set y'all down for a second. Oh, it sounded
It
great.
came on the limiter,
Yeah.
like not the limiter, but the light would come on, and it was time.
Dude, that was perfect. I gotta
That
get used
first
to
hit,
shifting
dude.
with you.
That first hit from the dig, dude. We were like, it was. Cause the first hit he made, he money shifted.
Yeah, it's never
He
done
went
that
from
before.
2, 3, and he went back
I
to
took
7.
yeah.
I was like, oh shit, no!
Alright, the first hit was.
Oh, it's good.
Right here, yeah. Oh, it came on so hard.
Yeah, dude, look at it.
Freaking
gone.
Gone, son.
Oh my
If
God.
I could zoom in, like when you would get out of it, it would hang a flame for about 2 seconds.
Did it? Hell yeah. Oh,
It was
dude,
just
that's
like-
so good. Oh, that's badass. Hell yeah, dude.
Dude, no,
Yeah.
play yours.
Yeah.
Alright, dude, yeah.
Dude,
Yeah, this
great
is
video.
fucking awesome,
Thank you,
man.
Jason,
Look,
Logan.
get more guys, some spicy air, boy. Spice that bitch up. Just right, son. Just right.
Hell yeah.
Oh.
That's great.
Man, that was a damn tickle fest right there. Every
Hell
hit,
yeah.
that was a
Here you
damn
go, this is your last one.
That first one, though, we're.
Alright, she's cooling down. Gave her a little bit much sauce, but she's all good. So, big thanks to Logan, my man Jason Dillard, Hawks Motorsports, Easley, South Carolina. And what's your channel again?
We are Dillard Performance Works.
Dillard Performance Works.
Yes, sir.
Check them out on YouTube. There'll be a link in the description.
Yeah.
And this was all fueled by Bush Lattes, boy.
Yeah, subscribe. I got a lot of dyno videos on there, but nothing cool like this.
Hell yeah,
You
dude.
can walk around with the GoPro on.
Oh, dude, there's gonna be
People be like, yeah, this shit's cool.
there's gonna be plenty of LS Miata content on your channel coming soon. So go subscribe.
I'm gonna wear a harness over my chest with the GoPro on it so everybody can watch as I'm riding like that.
Yeah. Yeah, dude, there you go. So, big thanks. Like always, I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Later, y'all.